Hi, my name's Logan, and in this video, we are going to be opening up 2 Imaginext toys. And joining us is my brother B. These are B's toys. It's like
Doomsday and Luthor Hollow.
It's his and it's his kindergarten year. So we are going to open these. So let's get to it. We have Superman. Here, first I'm gonna need to cut this. Well, I'm gonna start cutting these. Boom, there's Doomsday. B, look at how big Doomsday is.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. He looks big in videos, but in real life, he looks ginormous. What the heck?
I get Superman in a jail cell. He's his big baby.
Doomsday is ginormous. Let me get him out.
I can put sticker like that. And like this. Look at that.
Now let's just get these out.
Look here.
Oh my gosh, B, look. And then this is just so cool. Just look at this. Like a character holding a gun. Like in normal Imaginext, they usually just have like fake guns that just stick in the floor. But they actually have a gun now that shoots. Oh, shoot. And then shoot. Whoa. Ba-bang, ba-bang. So how is that supposed to work?
How you twist it, Mommy?
It shoots out. That's so cool. So like that. Okay, I get it now.
Look, why you did this to me? Oh, no. Look, now get out here. Look. Okay, drive around.
I'm trying to get this.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Whoa! Crash you, YouTube! My head's upside down. Oh.
Link.
Why are you viewers upside down like a bat? Oh. It's because my head was upside down. Of course.
Let's try